Today, I'm going to show you guys how we printed our new Whadafunk Skull Butterfly Premium Hoodies. Whadafunk is our streetwear clothing brand, and I show you guys all DIY style videos, and I'm going to show you guys how to silkscreen print a hoodie from start to finish and add a couple little details in there as well. Alright, so first, this is how it all starts out. It all starts out as a drawing. This is a drawing that is made hand-drawn, always hand-drawn designs. I just like to draw designs from scratch. I feel like it adds to the element of it. But first, it has all to do about sizing and figuring out what size you want to print your designs at. So you print it out on a piece of paper just like this, and you get it all organized, and then you actually put it onto the blank shirt to see if that's the right size that you want to do. So this is the back we were going to do. This is the front size. I'm going to show you guys how it, you mock it up on the hoodie to get an idea of what it's going to actually look like. Grab your hoodie, set it up. Yes, this is a black background on a black hoodie. You guys get the idea, I think. I hope. Alright, so here we go. Print it out, piece of paper, you line it up, and even better tip is to cut around it so you can actually see it. But yeah, alright, so that size looks good, and now we're gonna burn the silkscreen. We've already filmed a video of us burning silkscreen, so if you actually want to go watch that, you can actually go check it out on the channel and learn how to burn your own silkscreen. Just search it up, burning silkscreens on the channel. These are the screens burned. So they're all burned, already burned in there. This is the back design, already taped it off. We actually already printed a couple of these, so we're just showing you the process of how we're printing the next batch. So this is the front design right here. Check out those details. Silkscreen's all burned, ready to go. About to line them up. You line them up on here. I'm gonna actually show you guys a video soon of how to register your silkscreens. I'm gonna do that very soon. But alright, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so we're gonna line it up, you put it down, and then you line it up with the marks. So here we go. So how I like to set it up is you get your transparency film, and then you actually just line it up where you want it to be on the plat end right here, line it up on the plat end right here, and then you can line up your design to that with the registration marks right here. You just match them up with the other registration marks, and then you could see where you actually want to print your shirt. That's how you could do it. That's one way to do it. Or, if you know what you're doing already, if you're printing one color, you don't even need the transparency. Just line up the registration marks, and then you're all set to go. Right now I'm taking the tape off to uncover the registration marks because I had them covered from using them last time, using the screen last time, and haven't uncovered them yet. So if you've seen the tape on before, now the tape is gone. Now we're going to register the screen. Get it all ready. We'll just line it up. Line up the registration marks to the center point of your plat end. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that, how to make your center point in a future video. But you can look up other people's videos for right now, but check out our channel again for that in the future. So here we go. That one's all lined up. Got the back all lined up. Now we're going to line up the front. Line up the front. Always check it after you tighten it all the way. Make sure you check it. Sometimes the screen moves. Alright, that's ready. This is the most important step of the whole process. Otherwise you'll be printing everything crooked. Alright, now we're going to tape this up like this. Cover those registration marks. Because you don't want to print these, and trust me, we've done it multiple times. Don't print the registration marks. If you do, you're going to end up giving those shirts to your friends, and they're going to be mad that they have registration marks on their shirts. And then we're ready for the next step. Now you guys got all your screens all set up Now's the next step, checking out, making sure you have all your stuff in order, ready to go to start printing. I'm gonna show you what we have ready. So right here we need 2 squeegees, one smaller one for the front print, one bigger one for the back print, and then we need this spatula, and then you need some ink. We're using white plastisol ink. Not gonna say what company. If you see it in the video, you'll see it in the video. But if they want to hit us up, let's go. And then here we go. This is also what you need. You need some Super Tack, Ecotex. They're not our sponsor, but we'll hit them up anyway. So guys, when you're printing, you're always gonna want to run a test print right at first. So, you know, run your test print, make sure the ink's flowing, make sure everything is good the way you like it before you start ruining shirts that you had to pay for. Alright, now we're gonna run a test print. Check this out. This is Mad Dog Cycles. This is my brother's motorcycle company. So if you guys need any motorcycle work done or want a custom built bike, hit him up. Check him out, Mad Dog Cycles. This is a test print that we made shirts for him. But here we go. We're going to test this design out, make sure it's flowing, make sure everything is good to go, and print it. Let's check it out and see what happens. Make sure you're mixing your ink really, really good. Very important step. Do not want to miss this step right here. This is a little tip right here. You can actually wet the platen if you already had the sticky tack to it. I actually learned this on YouTube. You can wet it, and with a little brush right here, just scrub off the old fabric. Scrub off some of the old fabric, and this gets sticky again. I'm gonna put more sticky stuff, sticky tack, but figured I'd try and get some of this fabric off here. The hoodie fabric goes crazy on there. Then you bring over your flash dryer, heat it up for a bit, and then it'll get sticky again. That's a little tip I found on YouTube, so check that out. This is what the test print looks like. All done. Looks freaking great, amazing. It's ready to be printed. This is the back design. And now let's test the front design. Right now I'm just putting on more sticky tack, just making sure that this platen is nice and sticky for these hoodies. As you can see, the fabric comes off like crazy when you're printing on the hoodies. Goes right to the platen, all the extra little fabrics. Gotta make sure it's nice and sticky so you get nice crisp prints. So I loaded the hoodie on the platen right now. Gonna start printing these. Line it up nice, get it where you want to be, make sure it's down nice. As you can see, this is the front print, the smaller butterfly, and on the back we have the big print right here. I'm going to show you guys some last finishing touches of how we add to the hoodie right now. Alright guys, so we are going to add a little bit to the hoodie right here. We're adding these studs to the hoodie. I'm going to show you how it's done. We're going to put it in a couple different spots. Right there, right there, right there, and you're gonna see how to put some studs on your hoodies. So you poke it through the material where you want it to be, and then you get needle nose pliers and grab the edges and bend down each edge. Fold each edge in and push it down as tight as possible. There you go. You have your stud. It's stuck in there. It's not going anywhere. Alright guys, so this is the final and last step. We are sewing the labels on. If you guys want to learn how to sew your own labels on, we actually made a whole YouTube tutorial on how to do this yourselves. So go check that out. Alright guys, this is the final product right here. We showed you how to silkscreen print on these hoodies, add some studs to it, sew labels in, and this is the final product. So guys, hit that like button, please subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. But go check out more videos, DIY videos just like this. Peace.